Hello, and welcome to Tuesday, January 5th. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. There are 3 activities today, technically 2 activities. You'll see why. The first one is a Kahoot on questions and negatives. Okay, you will click and then you will play. You will put in your name, and it's very short. It's about 8 questions. Okay, good luck on that. The second activity is with the book, A Picture of Nobody. So first you're going to read chapter 1 of the book. Okay, bring it down to about 123. Read chapter 1. It's very short, about 3 pages. Read chapter 1 first. After you read chapter 1, then you are going to give prediction. What do you think will happen and why do you think that? Okay, put that here. That's it for async. For sync, it's Tuesday, so we have class together. We have one activity, and it is creating an essay together. Okay, so we're going to create an essay together. So each group will have something to do, and we will do it together. We'll write our essay together in group. All right, and that's it. Good luck.